Hello friends, welcome to Let's Learning Coding with me. This video we are going to see about the set data structure. So far we have discussed about the string, tuple, list. This video we are going to see about the set data structure. Let's move on to the video friends. The first one is set is the collection of unique or unordered elements enclosed by the curly brackets. Okay, let's see the example. I am creating the set as S1 and curly braces. Inside the curly braces the element should be taken. True, Python 0, 90, 87. Okay, this is the set. I want to print the set of elements. Okay, this is the set 1. So set is the collection of unique and unordered elements. Unordered. Okay, I have taken the true as first element, but the result the place of the true has shifted into second position. So it's an unordered position. We can't order the elements. We can't judge. This one is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, it's unordered elements. So the set is the collection of unique and unordered elements enclosed by the curly brackets. Then the next one is the set does not supports the indexing and slicing, because the set does not have the index number. Okay, see, we can't give the index numbers. If the set has the index number, the order will not be changed, but this case the order has changed. Okay, so the set does not have the index numbers. For that, it does not allow the indexing and slicing operation. To perform the indexing and slicing, we need the use of the index number. So now we can't perform the indexing and slicing on the set. Okay, then the set elements don't have an index numbers. That points we have discussed already. Then the set does not allow the duplicate elements. I'll show you. Taking the set as set 1. And taking again true. Python 87, 90. Okay, twice the time I have taken the particular elements. Now I am going to display the set 1. See, totally I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements, but the result, the set contains only 5 elements only. The repeated element has not displayed in this set. So the true has taken twice a time, but here it will displayed for the only one time. So the duplicate elements are not displayed in the set. That's why this is the meaning for this point, that set does not allow the duplicate elements, and the set does not support the concatenation and multiplication. That means the tuple, list and string, all the all the cases are allows the string concatenation and multiplication, but that set does not allow the multiplication and concatenation. Let's see the example. I am taking the set 1 as 8, 9, 90, 84. Okay, then I am going to take the set 2 as 45. Okay, I want to perform the concatenation between the two sets. See, it throws an error, unsupported operand type for set. Okay, it does not support the element operator plus. Okay, that means it does not support the addition, concatenation. Okay, then we'll see the example for multiplication. I am taking the same, I am going to use the same set 1. Okay, so S1 star 2. See, this is also throws an error, unsupported operand type star. That means the set does not support the multiplication also. Set supports both packing and unpacking. Okay, we can pack and unpack the set of elements. I am taking the set 1 as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, then I want to unpack the set of elements. A comma, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B comma, C comma, D comma, E. Equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 elements, right? S1. So I want to get the value of A, value of B, value of C, D, E, F. Okay, we have unpacked the set 1 elements. Then we are going to pack the set elements. That means S1 equal to set of A comma B comma C comma D. before packing we should give the elements for the, we should give the values for A and B. Okay, all the elements. So A equal to 34, B equal to 54, C equal to false, D equal to Django. So S1, I am going to pack the set elements. Curly bracket A comma B comma C comma D comma, so only 4 elements. Okay, so up to D, A, B, C, D. So I am going to print the elements. Okay, we have packed the set of elements. So the set supports both packing and unpacking. And set is a dynamic and immutable object. That means we can't change the elements after it's created. So the set is an immutable object, like the string. String is also an immutable object. Set is also a immutable object, immutable dynamic object. Okay, and set is used to delete the duplicate elements from the other object. That means we are going to set this set does not support the duplicate elements. If you want to change the we want to delete the duplicate elements from the list or string or tuple, if we use the set of elements, set in the tuple, string or list, we can easily remove the duplicate elements. Okay, that's the point given here. Set 1 equal to 0, true, Django, 0, true, Django. See, it does not support the duplicate elements. So by using the set, we can delete the duplicate elements. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video to all your friends. If you have any more topics, just leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you friends.